Hello everybody, my name is Henry and welcome to Techlore. Today I'm going to teach you just about everything you need to know about cloud mining, as well as how to get set up as soon as you possibly can. To break things down a little bit more, we're going to break this video down into 5 different segments. First, what is cloud mining? Its advantages and disadvantages to regular mining, the risks involved, how to choose and sign up for a service, and my thoughts on cloud mining with some extra tips and warnings. So what is cloud mining? Well, very similar to mining at home, you're selling a computer's processing capability to solve complex mathematical problems, which powers the whole cryptocurrency world. However, with cloud mining, you don't own the hardware, somebody else does, and they're renting out the usage of that mining rig to you through a mining contract. So what are the advantages and disadvantages to cloud mining? Well, here are some advantages. You don't have to worry about hardware if that's something you don't enjoy working with. You can typically get involved with much smaller starting costs, but this depends on what service you go with. And you don't have to worry about electricity, heat, and any other issues which typically come up when you're mining on your own. Some advantages to mining at home is you get to own everything and all of your hardware is under your control. It's typically much more profitable than cloud mining, it's much lower risk, and if you're a geek, you get to geek out. Now, before we continue, it's extremely important for me to tell you guys the risks involved with cloud mining. I'm telling you right now, a huge amount of cloud mining websites are scams. The cryptocurrency market is a huge area for Ponzi schemes, BitConnect being a recent example. And lots of cloud mining websites online have been found to be Ponzi schemes. When you pick a service, go with something that is credible and passes all the tests, which I'll have on this webpage. It's an amazing write-up describing how to avoid cloud mining scams, so please read that before getting involved with a service. Alright, let's finally get set up. Please keep in mind that at the time of making this video, all the services I discuss in this video are in good standing. I will update the pinned comment under this video if anything changes in the future, so make sure to keep an eye on that comment to make sure everything is still in good standing by the time you watch this video. First, you're going to need a wallet to buy Bitcoin in order to purchase a cloud mining contract. Since this video is geared towards beginners, I'm going to recommend you go with Coinbase. Just purchase however much you want to buy, and you're going to be able to send your purchased Bitcoin to a mining service under account and send. If you want to send money without the Coinbase fees, you can log into GDAX with your Coinbase credentials. It's the same exact information, and send it through GDAX if you're using this Coinbase method. If you're using the Coinbase method, make sure you use the Coinbase referral link in the description to get a free $10 in Bitcoin if you spend $100 or more on Coinbase. Next, you have to pick a cloud mining service. I put together 3 services that I thought were safest to recommend to you guys. The first service is Hashflare. They offer very customizable plans with several different cryptocurrencies and algorithms. There's Script and SHA-256, which are both paid out in Bitcoin. Do note the maintenance fees when calculating profit. They also have Ethereum, Zcash, and Dash mining, which they pay out in each respective currency without maintenance fees. I personally use Hashflare and I can confirm it's kind of a clustery website, but I've had 0 issues so far using it. I do have a Hashflare affiliate link in the description. Sadly, there's no benefit to using it, but if you do want to give back to the channel, it's much appreciated if you go through that link. The second service is Genesis. Normally they have a huge selection as well, but unfortunately they have been sold out of almost everything except Zcash and Ethereum mining at the time of making this video. Genesis does have a super nice UI and everything is very well managed and organized on their website. A nice bonus is their contracts last 2 years rather than 12 months. If you end up going with Genesis, you can use my referral code, which you can find here and in the description, to save 3% off all your purchases. The final service is Minergate. They only offer Bitcoin and Monero at the time of making this video, with Ethereum coming soon. I do like how they clearly put the fees right smack in front of your face for you to see. Something Minergate has going for them is they also have a mining program, so if you want a centralized place for mining at home and cloud mining, this is not a bad option. Just like Hashflare, there's an affiliate link below, but there's no benefit if you use it, but it is much appreciated if you use that link. The last part of this video is going to be some more of my personal thoughts on cloud mining, as well as some tips and warnings for you before you get involved yourself. First, cloud mining is not always profitable. Based on my calculations on February 15th, A $100 investment on SHA-256 on Hashflare will actually lose $9 by the end of the cycle. However, the $1,520 investment on Genesis for Ethereum will get you 40 mega hashes per second, which, according to my calculations, will get you about 2,000 to 2,200 depending on the calculator you use online, and that will definitely give you a good return after 2 years. So here are my thoughts on cloud mining. If it's still profitable after you do all your calculations and you add in all those maintenance fees, I think it's a fun hobby to get into if you're interested in mining and you don't have any of your own mining hardware. I would by no means put a major part of your crypto portfolio into cloud mining. I'd rather just put money straight into a cryptocurrency, or I just buy hardware if I really wanted to mine. I'm gonna push cloud mining on my channel as more of a fun hobby, more than a way to earn a huge amount of money, because I just can't see any possible way that you're gonna earn a huge sum of money by cloud mining. So that's gonna wrap up the video, everybody. I hope this helped you decide whether or not to get involved with cloud mining. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them below and follow me at Techlemur on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you're interested in mining at home with your own hardware, make sure to watch the video I'm gonna leave right here and in the description, which is a super simple tutorial showing how to get involved with mining using a computer like this one right here. That's all I have to say today. Thank you so much for watching and have a frickin' lemuricious day.